First, open your settings, and now we need to find out the build number of our device. It can be in different settings in different phones, so you can search for a build number or go to your About phone and then scroll down and you will see a build number. Now you need to click on build numbers very fast 7 times. Just click on it 7 times. And then due to security concerns, this message is not shown, but it will show you a message that says you are now a developer. Now you can turn on USB debugging and all. Let's see how you can do that. So you can go back to your settings. And again, this can be hidden inside different menus. So the easiest way to do this is just searching for it. So I'll search for developer options or developer mode. You can just type developer and you'll see this developer options. Click on it. And as you can see, developer options is enabled. Now you can scroll down and you'll see various developer settings like OEM unlocking and automatic system updates, USB debugging, and so on. So if you are a developer, you will want to enable USB debugging so that you can debug your apps directly to your phone. And there are a bunch of other options. So yeah, this is how you can enable USB debugging on your Android device.